Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to freeze a column or freeze a row in Excel. Okay, so if you want to freeze a column or freeze any row in Excel, this video will show you how to do that. Here you will see, first I will show you how to freeze a column. Okay, here you will see I want to freeze this column. Okay, means C column. And to freeze C column, what you have to do, so first you have to select. If you want to freeze C column, you have to select D. If you want to freeze B column, you have to select C. And if you want to freeze D column, you have to select E. Okay, so I want to freeze C column, so I have to select D. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see view option in the ribbon, click on it, and then here you will see freeze panes, click on it, then you will see this row is freezed. Okay, now I will show you how to freeze row. Okay, so if you want to freeze this row, this one third number row, so what you have to do, you have to select fourth number. Okay, then again go to view. Okay, then here you will see freeze panes option. Now just click on it, then if you scroll down you will see that third number row is freezed. So like this you can freeze row or freeze column in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.